Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is needs of grass. Normally this is our common concept that grass needs water only. If we will give water to the grass, grass would grow well, and if we will give more water to the grass, grass would grow more well. But this is not the actual reality. The complete reality is that grass needs some more extra thing in spite of water. These can be divided into four categories: primary needs, secondary needs, tertiary needs and quaternary needs. Let's move towards primary needs. First of all, primary needs. Primary needs mean the things required by the grass on regular basis, on daily basis. Primary needs include sunlight and water. If you will provide sunlight to grass but not the water, grass would die. And if you will provide water to the grass but not the sunlight, grass would also die. Both these things must be provided to the grass in proper proportion. A calculated ratio of water must be provided to the grass as per sunlight available, as in winter as in summer. So both these are very essential on daily basis. Second of all, the secondary needs. Secondary needs mean the things required by the grass after every week or after every 15 days. Secondary needs include maintenance and fertilizer application. Definitely, as you know, the maintenance is very important part of the grass. If you will not maintain the grass, you will not cut the grass, you will not mow the grass, definitely thatches would be yellow and thatches would be weaker one. So in this way, on regular basis, like in summer after every week and in winter after every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you have to cut the grass, you have to maintain the grass. Second thing, fertilizer application. The nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, these are macronutrients and you have to provide with a regular interval of 15 days or 20 days to grass to make your grass more strengthening. Tertiary needs mean the things required by the grass after every 3 months. Tertiary needs include top dressing and lawn aeration. Top dressing mean definitely you do top dressing after regular intervals of 3 months by cow manure, sweet soil or cow manure sweet soil mixture to make your grass lush green, to make your grass healthy. And second thing, the lawn aeration. This is the main point. 90% we people, we miss our lawn aeration. If we will not do lawn aeration by lawn aerator, grass roots would be stuck down and all the inner gases would not allow the grass to grow well. Quaternary needs mean the things required by the grass after every 4 to 6 months. Quaternary needs include thatching of the grass. The stem of the grass, this is called thatch. When thatches become so long, they become interlocked with each other to make a compact web. This web don't allow the material movement from top to bottom, mean water movement, fertilizer movement, spray movement. So in this way you have to do thatching after 4 to 6 months with steel racks to rub it, to collect it, to make the grass less dense. This is called thatching, and after every 6 months, 4 months, 5 months you have to do. This is quaternary needs. Okay, I have discussed with you primary needs, secondary needs, tertiary needs and quaternary needs by the grass. All these things required by the grass on regular basis. Don't think so that grass needs only water. Grass needs some more extra things like primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary needs. Next I'll come with a new topic regarding horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.